Hello. Recently, Cambridge announced how they will calculate the predicted grades for June 2020 series. And I know that you have many questions, and I would like to explain how this is will gonna work. And hopefully, I will explain it to the maximum details. If you still have any questions, you can just like write in the comments below the video or just email me for further details. So, how the grades are given for June to 2020 series. Before I go in the details or the four steps of grading, you need to know that IGCSE June 2020 series has the same credibility as any other series. So it is like attested by all the awarding bodies and no problem with universities. It will be accepted as usual, any usual other series. So let's go into the steps of grading. Here, the step one, it's the teacher's judgment or assessment. So the teachers, each subject teacher will give grades, letter grades for all the students. These letter grades are given based on the student's performance in grade 10 and grade 9 for the 2 years because IGCSE is a 2-year program with emphasis on grade 10, of course. Okay, so what happens after the teacher make this judgment? This judgment will be reviewed with evidence. So with the school performance, it means like the quizzes, the tests, the exams, term one, term two, all of these grades that the teacher uh, has about each student, they teachers will come up with a letter grade. This letter grade will be starting from A star ending with E or U even. Okay, so U is ungraded. So in this case, of course, the student will be failing, and E in UAE, it's also considered failing grade. So after the teacher arranged the students into like A, B, C, D, let's take in C, we have, let's say, four students. Even those students who earned letter C, the teacher will arrange them from the highest attaining to the lowest attaining. Okay, so the highest scorer or the highest achiever in letter C to the lowest scorer. In letter A, the same thing. In A star, the same thing. In all the letter grades, we have ranking. So the teachers rank students based on expected attainment within each grade in each syllabus. Of course, step one and step two will not disadvantage any student, and the grade will be given as if the student is sitting for the test and what is the possible grade that the student will earn if he really did the external exam. So after step two, the next step, step three, it's the head of center's work. In this case will be me. The head of center will confirm the predicted grades and the rank orders, of course, after reviewing all the evidence submitted by the teachers and reviewing all the grades, confirming these grades, the head of center will send these grades to Cambridge. In step four, Cambridge, they have their professional team. They will review the evidence again. They will review the predicted grades. They will make their adjustments. They will compare to their standards as well. They combine data from the center and other centers as well from the region. Uh, then they will issue the final grade. As usual, the certificates will be, not the certificates, actually, the results will be out in August. Uh, and I think this is all. If you still have any questions, please write in the comments below or email me. I will be very glad to help you in this matter. Thank you.